Hello guys, today I am going to review our LG monitor. It is a 24-inch IPS panel monitor. The model number of which is 24MP400. It's a 24-inch. So let's look at the box. It has IPS, it is flicker safe, comes with AMD FreeSync. So without wasting much time, let's open it. I got this from Flipkart, so the Flipkart bill. Now in the box we find this box which contains, let's open it up. LG's warranty card and terms and conditions of the warranty card. Some warning notices, HDMI cable, which is quite handy nowadays, 2 screws. I think this will be for mounting the monitor on the stand, and lastly a booklet showing you how to set up. It says it includes a CD, but I don't see one. Anyways, here comes, this is the adapter. Let's open it up. So this adapter, we are getting over here 19 volts, 1.3 amps. It is about 25-26 watts. Next up, this is the plate. So yes, here is the plate, base plate. And I think so this one is the monitor stand. Yes, let's move these aside. So let's keep this aside. And finally, the monitor. This is a 24-inch MP400 monitor. So let's open it up. Yes. Now this monitor, as I can see, has borderless design. See, there are 3 side borderless design, and lower side has this jittery texture. I kind of don't like this, but anyways. In the bottom we find the joystick menus for joystick button to control the monitor settings. It's perfect. In the back we find the monitor stand mount over here. It also supports visa mount. That means we can wall mount it, table mount it, and also here is the stand. For input we have the D sub in, HDMI and DC, nothing else. We don't get much. We don't even get the audio. So let's build this. So first we are going to attach this circle to this. Our screws. One for this side and one for this side. Screwdriver for the job. These are self-tapping screws, so there are no threaded holes over here. You will find a little bit hard, but this is alright. These screws are meant to be hard as they are self-tapping. Lastly, the monitor case. So how do you mount it? Take the monitor, hold it from the front and just place it like, yes, done. Speaking of display, in this display we get a 92% NTSC, which when converted to sRGB it calculates to 99%. If we talk about the display panel, it is an IPS panel, so it spits out some beautiful eye-catchy colors, and the colors are damn accurate. You can also notice this fact for yourself when you buy this monitor. This monitor can be a good option for you to buy under 13,000 for video and photo editing. This panel also helps black appear more black and white appear whiter, as it is an IPS panel. So you can really enjoy some beautiful wallpapers with black background, and you can also enjoy watching movie in this display. Now coming to the design, this monitor gives you a 3-side virtual borderless design, giving you a premium look. Next, looking at the bottom of the monitor, we find the LG logo, and thus this is the only place where we find a border. Now, speaking of colors, this monitor comes in only black color. This monitor provides you with a 178-degree viewing angle. That means you can view the monitor even when you're not sitting just in front of it. And also you can stack multiple of them side by side. Now let's shift our attention to the bottom side of the monitor, where resides the analog controller. The analog controller given at the bottom side of the monitor, that is the only option to turn on or off the monitor, as well as control any other options for the monitor. There are some default modes on this monitor. These are custom, reader, photo, color weakness and game mode. The monitor even offers some in-depth feature like super resolution, DFC digital fine contrast for more vivid and crisp images. It supports AMD FreeSync, black stabilization and a detailed color control. But if we keep the internal settings aside, we will find that the default modes given on this monitor has a good setup. I mean, you can use the photo mode for photo and video editing, the cinema mode for the movie, and the reader mode for the late night browsing. So personally, I will recommend using this monitor for a daily use if you're looking for a monitor under 13,000. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Like the video if you like it, dislike if you didn't, comment about it, share it, and as for always, subscribe to SS Tech Studios for more videos like this.